Hi, my name is Vjekoslav Nemesh. Today we'll be doing first class guided painting on which all my paintings were based. I've been painting for 35 years and teaching more than 15 years this technique. Through this lesson we're going to use palette knife, shapers, 5 basic colors and just one big brush. Hope you enjoy it, and this is the first step toward your creativity and your masterpieces. Thank you. Suddenly it just comes in and it comes beautiful, and that's the best part of it, you know, it's not like when you paint just one painting and this is it, it comes. That's of course great, but when you revive something which you keep doing and keep trying to create something, and you know, you have something beautiful out of that, it's just amazing. When I started painting, I had many of these experiences, emotional experience, when I had tears of joy when I'm painting. And this is the main reason why I'm teaching people, because I want to bring them this joy of creation. When something comes and you're just blown away what's happening.